All right, hey everyone. Hey everyone. I'm showing you all my messy office here, just because I wanted to show a full transparency comment picking here. We are going to select the winning comment for the ALLPOWERS giveaway that we've been doing. You guys have watched a lot of my advertisements for this, so I appreciate your patience. We had just shy of, I think, 400 people comment, so they applied, entered the contest, and now we're going to go ahead and use one of these online random comment pickers. In this case, we're going to use pick a winner, and we're going to choose a winner now. So let's get cracking here. I'm going to put in the YouTube link, which I saved. Here we go. Let's go ahead and load it up. Anything goes, and we're not going to allow any duplicates. So that's how we filter out people who commented more than once. You only get to enter once. All right, we're loading comments, and we've got, looks like we got 373 unique comments. I think there's like 412 total comments, but some of those people were replying to other people's comments. And so now we're going to pick a winner. I'm going to click this button, and it's going to select randomly one of the people. So let's see who won the contest. Rick Kress, you are the winner. Rick Kress wrote he loves the channel. He's been subscribed to the content for some time. He's been enjoying everything we have to say. He'd love to use the solar setup every night because, well, he works out of his van and on the road all year round. Well, guess what? You, sir, are the winner. I want to congratulate you, Rick Kress. If you're Rick Kress, what I'm going to ask you to do is send us an email to RVingWithJoe@gmail.com. Again, that's RVingWithJoe@gmail.com. Just you, Rick. We will do a quick little authentication step to make sure it's actually you, Rick Kress, here on YouTube. But yes, you won, and congratulations. I'm really glad. We're going to contact ALLPOWERS and have them send the unit out to you. We'll get your address and stuff in the email once we start chatting via email. And I want to thank everyone who participated. It was really fun to read everybody's comments. It was really just a great experience that we had doing this. And we added some subscribers. That was cool and all. To be honest, I've gotten more subscribers sometimes through the RV's Gone Wild episode, but that wasn't the point. The point was to get something cool from ALLPOWERS, who's been such a great sponsor for me, and get something into your hands. So hopefully we'll have more giveaways coming up. I'm going to have a giveaway at the Alberta Outdoor Adventure Expo coming up June 20th, 22nd. If you're in the Alberta region, come to the AOAE. We will be doing a raffle. It's only for the people who are staying overnight, so come and camp. And if you come and camp, you can come to the nighttime campfire event, and we'll be doing a raffle there. I'll have more cool stuff. I don't know if it'll be this unit, but we might have some really cool things that I'm looking to have some sponsors give us. So I hope to see you there. Thanks again for everyone who participated. What a great way to have an April 20th event. I appreciate your time, everybody. Keep your eyes out for the next contest. We'll come up with something soon. And I appreciate you subscribing. And if you only subscribe for the contest, well, I guess you could unsubscribe now. But come on, stick around. I got some cool videos coming up. Thanks, everyone. Once more time, congratulations to Rick Kress. Hey everyone, I'm going to be at the Alberta Outdoor Adventure Expo coming up on June 20th to the 22nd. I'm going to be there the whole weekend camping with a bunch of other Ember owners. I'm going to be there speaking, doing a class on RVing and getting into RVing, going over some tech issues, and I'm actually going to be a sponsor there of one of the tents, so my name will be splashed around there a little bit. It should be pretty easy to find me, so come find me there. I'll be there all weekend camping. You can come for the day or you can come for the whole weekend. Bring your gear, bring your RV, bring your tent. You can get your tickets online to the event. I'll put a link in below. Of course, there's no fee to see me, so just show up there, come find me. And if you are going, make sure you put in the comments below that you're going. I want to see you there. Journey to the Alberta Outdoor Adventure Expo. On the Rockies' edge where the wild beauty awaits, a family-friendly gathering with thrilling activities. Mark your calendars for June 20th to the 22nd at the Alberta Outdoor Adventure Expo. Your tribe awaits. There's a link in the description.